Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have studied about criteria for the classification of living organisms and their characteristics. Today, we are going to study the classification of microbes. Among all living organisms, microorganisms are largest in numbers. Hence, they are classified as bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, and viruses. Dear students, before we begin bacteria, let's have a look to the size of the microbes. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometers, as well as 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometers. Bacteria. Size of the bacteria varies between 1 micrometer to 10 micrometers. Bacteria are unicellular, independent, or parasitic organisms. Sometimes many bacteria together form their colonies. Bacterial cell is prokaryotic with cell wall, but distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. Bacteria are reproduced by simple binary fission. In favorable conditions, bacteria grow vigorously and can double their number in just 20 minutes. Protozoa. Size of the protozoa are approximately 200 micrometers. Protozoans are found in the soil, fresh water, and seawater. Some of the protozoans are found in the body of other organisms and they are pathogenic. These are unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cells. There is a great variation in the cell structure, organs of the locomotion, and mode of the nutrition among protozoans. These organisms reproduces by simple cell division, and examples are amoeba and paramecium. These are living free in the dirty water. Entomobia histolytica causes amoebiasis. Plasmodium vivax causes malaria. Euglena is autotropics. Fungi. Size of the fungi varies approximately from 10 micrometers to 100 micrometers. Fungi are found on the decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. These are eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and others are visible with the naked eyes. Fungi are known as a saprophytic because they absorb their food from the decaying organic matters. They reproduce sexually and asexually by cell division or by the budding. Examples of the fungi are baker's yeast, candida, and mushroom. Algae. Size of the algae varies approximately from 10 micrometers to 100 micrometers. They are aquatic. They are eukaryotic, unicellular, autotrophic organisms. Photosynthesis process is carried out with the help of chloroplast, which is present in the cell. An example is chlorella. But very few species of the algae are unicellular. Most of them are multicellular and visible with the naked eyes. Viruses. Size of the viruses varies approximately from 10 nanometer to 100 nanometers. Generally, Viruses are not considered as a living organism, or they are said to be an organism at the age of a living and a non-living. They are studied under microbiology. Viruses are extremely minute, means they are 10 to 100 times smaller than the bacteria and can be seen only with the help of an electron microscope. They are found in the form of an independent particle. A virus is a long molecule of a DNA, means deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, means ribonucleic acid, and it is covered by the protein coat. Viruses survive only in a living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with help of a host cell and create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become a free. These free viruses again infect the new cells. Viruses cause many diseases to plants and animals. Human may get infected by poliovirus, influenza virus, and cattle may get infected by picornavirus, tomato plant by wilt virus and tobacco mosaic virus, and bacteria may get infected by the bacteriophage virus. Dear students, today we have studied about the various microorganisms, and now you have to complete the following exercise of the given chapter.